Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Static Garage. Yes, it's been a while since I actually did an intro. Daniel's not here, he's actually at work. He's not off until 5 and it's, what time? 2. And I'm here with Nick.
What's going on?
Today, we're actually working on his car.
This weekend, we are swapping the motor. Alright everybody! Alright, we got her in there. Gonna start pulling stuff off, drain all the fluids and get her going. I mean, I don't know, it's my first time pulling an engine. On my own car at least, so let's do it, dude.
So to make it easier, we're gonna try to pull off the bumper, front end first, and then we'll do all the liquids and stuff after.
What we got here is a wiring specialties harness for a S14 KA24DE, because obviously each one we're gonna pull off.
It's probably gonna crack.
Each one's gonna crack, I guarantee. Yeah, it seems pretty fresh. It comes with the little 5-point grounding set for better groundage.
I respect it.
It's a KA24DE stock motor. You come over here, would you look at that? Another KA24DE. Seems pretty dope.
Nice.
Freshly rebuilt. OEM, everything. Just gonna be a nice little reliable daily driver motor.
It's so clean.
Should be cool. Yeah, it's nice and clean. You know, maybe like a turbo in the future for this thing.
Interesting.
That'd be cool. For this motor and that one, I think this one's a S13K as we talked about in the other video. So we're gonna need to swap over like the distributor. So we can't use this one. Obviously map sensor, throttle position sensor. And I think that's pretty much it that we have to swap over. Other than that, it should be pretty cake.
I hope you guys made a proper introduction because I know I haven't uploaded in about 2 weeks. We had 2 videos already filmed. We were putting the head on the E30 and we did a subframe on the IS300. We put 09 bushings on it, so we pretty much had it in the bag for the past 2 weeks, but we realized that the exposure was set too high for both videos. Since this doesn't have a flip out camera, you can't really see how it looks. Luckily, I updated everyone on my Instagram, so if you guys wanna know what's going on with anything, including some stuff that I haven't revealed on the channel yet, make sure to go on there because that's where I'm gonna be keeping everyone up to date. But now that we're back, today we're finally gonna be swapping the S14. Do you even know what the motor's called?
It's a KA20 or something.
We have a couple of ISR upgrades. So these, I believe, are the exhaust, right? Yeah. Full exhaust system from the headers back.
I mean, let's start with this. I haven't even really fully opened them myself. I have opened them. So yeah, we got headers right here.
Ooh, these are pretty long, dude. Yeah, they're definitely long tube headers. And this is where the exhaust is going to be. I don't know if you got the blast pipes, because I know ISR makes blast pipes. It's the ones I'm running on the E30.
Yeah, nah.
Is this a fart cannon?
No, it's actually...
Oh, it's regular. This is OEM style,
actually,
right?
Yeah, dual tip.
Nice. Oh, this is going to be really like OEM and simple.
Motor mounts and trans mounts.
Which we're definitely going to need.
Yeah.
These tend to vibrate normally, but...
Yeah, no, these ones are good. These ones are going to be like close to OEM. I heard they're like 30% stiffer or something.
So it's not going to be as crazy as poly.
Yeah. No, but it's going to be nice. It's
Ooh.
the high flow cat.
Damn, you're definitely going to pass smog with that thing.
Tune-up kit. So we got new belts, new wires, spark plugs, all that stuff. Oh, solid rack bushings.
Oh, we can't show this, bro.
Yeah, I know.
I apologize to Action Clutch.
I'm sorry. This is just cheaper for right now.
Yeah, so normally we'd go with the Action Clutch for like an upgraded clutch. That's the only reason I didn't go with them with the manual swap. But this is gonna be really nice for Daling until he gets that KAT belt.
Yeah, bigger power comes. We're gonna upgrade the clutch. And
You're gonna have to.
Because this one came with a flywheel as well.
Cool.
Like 300 something bucks. So it was a good deal. We got the ISR short shifter. Pretty much ISR everything.
Yeah. So what's surprising is this is actually the old school ISR shifter when it was called ISIS, and you can probably tell or guess why they changed the name. So the title for this video is probably going to be something in the lines of making the perfect daily, or 240 daily, should I say, because we're putting that freshly rebuilt KA that you guys seen in this car, and we have new everything from wiring harness to exhaust to a bunch of other stuff in there, and we're even throwing a brand new refresh trans. It's pretty much going to be the perfect 240 daily because it's not going to be a lot of power, and it's going to be pretty much bulletproof right now, and it's going to be fun for him to drive.
Look at these stickers. Hold on, I didn't even look at these. Wiring specialties.
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah.
Hey, Imagine if you kept the SR.
Yeah, I know. That would have been cool, but whatever.
We took apart the shifter assembly just so it's a lot easier because we're gonna be pulling out the transmission with the motor. So it's gonna make it a lot easier to just tilt it up and out.
We're just checking out the ECU, so we're gonna
Disconnect
kind
it.
of pull it all out. Yeah, we're gonna have to just probably disconnect it right here. Hopefully get all this stuff through the firewall right there.
Yeah, it's gonna run right through there. That's the annoying thing about 240s is when you lower it, you have to kind of retuck the wiring harness because it runs right under the fender. It's kind of like a Miata. So like Nick, you can risk wearing the wires out and exposing them, and then they start shorting and having a bunch of electrical issues, which is what he was having. Pulling the harness off these 240s is very difficult. Nick wants to keep AC, and his old condenser was shot. Luckily, we didn't have to evacuate all the Freon, and we're gonna be using a used working condenser, and hopefully that one actually works.
Ever since I had this car, we had a check engine light, EGR malfunction, and then
Should we show them why?
We pulled off the heat shield earlier, pulled right here with a big old
Completely broken.
nut thing, and it's just cracked, pieced.
Trashed, bro. No way.
This thing was running rich. Remember, it's always been running rich.
Oh my god, well, I had a huge exhaust leak, that's why.
Ever since we even bought it too, there was always black shit.
Dude,
built
your
up on the bumper.
exhaust valves are done. Like literally done. Look at that.
Come show them the back bumper over here.
No, come on, dude. Let's go show them the back bumper over here, dog. Like this shit's crazy, bro.
Toasted, bro. It's like they put their toast in the toaster for like 10 minutes and it was toast.
Bro, when you
toasted.
turn it on, that shit just squirts fucking
Dude,
black
yeah,
soot.
Squirts out black shit. Like.
Motor mount's disconnected. We don't want to bolt the tranny mounts until we have the cherry picker hooked up, just so when it tilts, we can just pull this puppy out.
You do, man.
This is not.
Here, put on the soft part.
Oh, wait, do you have foam or wood or cardboard?
What are you talking about, bro?
Oh, that's fine. So many activities to be done.
Now we should take a picture for a thumbnail. Oh, I didn't see you guys there. I was just drinking my vanilla Starbucks Frappuccino.
What was that?
I'll be back in 5.
Are you really?
He's gotta go poop,
In a
dude.
time of crisis like this, you're gonna
Brother,
do this?
it is turtlenecking. That's all the lines and stuff.
Yeah, everything's disconnected.
Okay, I'm about to get my juicy ass out there.
Dude, bitch. Dude,
You're about to break that cowl.
dude, you're.
Oh my god.
Dude, don't step on the adjuster, dude.
You want your motor out, Nick?
Alright, fuck it, let's go.
I know, because you needed that. That right there is how you pull the motor out.
That is honestly incredible balance by me.
Our detailer Andy's gonna come by and pressure wash this tomorrow, make it look super clean because there is a huge mess everywhere. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna clean this old red paint up pretty nice. Oh, it had an upgraded clutch on it. This thing was rebuilt. It doesn't look bad though. No, it actually looks pretty good, dude. There's not a lot of sludge on it. There's no real reason why he's pulling it out other than the fact that this one just needed a lot of work. So it was cheaper just to buy that motor. How much did you buy that freshly rebuilt? 1100.
1,000.
$100 delivered.
Putting boost on is gonna be better.
Keanu.
Yeah, from Keanu
And he was
Jesus.
Christian. So I trust him.
Jeremiah came up with an excellent idea to wire tuck this harness. Excellent.
I'm the first one to ever do it.
The 12?
First one to ever do it. So instead of having the wiring harness run on top, we're actually gonna have the harness tucked through the bottom, and then, or at least attempt to, should I say, and then just have the injectors get plugged in. That's what a freshly rebuilt motor looks, boys. Everything's original. So we have a couple of stuff on the motor. Jeremiah put up the alternator, the brackets, the distributor. We have the motor mount. Yeah, both motor mounts on. And then we also have the best oil filters you can get. OEM, genuine.
It's pretty
which
sick.
is what you're supposed to do. And since this is a break-in motor,
Break-in motor. What motor is that?
I'm only running.
It's a break-in motor.
hold on, dude.
Hold on, he turned around.
We're gonna be using a magnetic ISR drain plug, which came with their tune-up kit. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna be getting rid of this one.
Should we install this in our place?
Dude, you ever try to change the oil with these?
Yes, they don't come off.
And then you take it off and it goes to the side and everything just starts spraying everywhere?
And then you can't
Look,
find it because it
look.
got lost.
This is gonna be part one of the KA
No S.
Project Daily 240SX video. But damn, dude, what a difference. The difference is insane. So ugly, bro. I think the blue makes it. This is where we're gonna be leaving off for today's video. The next video, we're most likely gonna be having it in and probably driving it. So that's gonna be the first start / first drive. But I'm not gonna try to stress on how much work we have tomorrow. So on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys on the next one.
Me in, swerving in the whip and I'll crash again. I can't sleep, you're stuck inside of my dreams. I can't.
I think the screen comes out.
Huh?
Doesn't the screen come out?
No,
Yeah, it does.
this one doesn't come out.
Yes, it does.
No,
Dude, it looks like it.
no, that's the screen protector.
No way.
Dad's gonna be like, you guys wasted so much film.